Hi, I'm Christopher with CK Customs PA. Today, we're going to be creating some gender reveal shirts using FashionFlex Light Sensitive HTV. This is a UV color changing HTV. We're also going to be using Siser Glitter Galaxy Black. So the first thing we have to do is weed our vinyl. I've already pre-cut everything. So I have vinyl here. Just need to weed it, change the camera, let you watch me weed it out, and then we'll get to pressing the shirts. Okay, we got those weeded out, so we're going to go ahead and get our shirt set up. So we're going to be using some district t-shirts. Go ahead and get them set up here on my press. I already have my press warmed up, and the press is set for the Siser Glitter. Press is a little bit warmer than the FashionFlex. So I'm just getting my shirt lined up here, getting it even. Nice pre-press on it. Now the rule of thumb is about 3 inches down. For me, that's about 3 fingers. We do have a 3-inch by 18-inch ruler. I'm also using it just to double check the spacing here real quick. I have centering rulers as well. They help. But that looks good. Shift it here this side. I'm going to go ahead and give the glitter a full press because the FashionFlex Light Sensitive does press at a lower temperature. I'm going to press the glitter on both t-shirts, and then I'm going to lower the temperature on the press, and then we will press the color change. So Siser Glitter is a warm peel. Hit with the cooling block real quick. So warm peel is just out of the dryer feel. And it's there. There's that one. Get our other one set up on here. Got excited. I don't think I pre-pressed this one. So I went ahead and dropped the pressure or the temperature down on my press. Let this with the cooling block real fast. Again, get that down just out of the dryer feel. That's there. That way we're peeling warm. So while our press is getting down to temperature, it's got to drop a few degrees. We'll go ahead and show you the roll. This is just one roll I have of the Siser glitter. The Galaxy Black has red flakes and multicolored flake in it. It's really pretty, really nice. The camera does not give it justice. But this one comes pretty much in 12-inch rolls from Heat Transfer Warehouse. That's where I order from. You can get it in the sheets or you can get it in rolls. FashionFlex Light Sensitive HTV comes in a 20-inch roll, and you can get it by the foot or by the yard. This was a 1 yard roll. Comes in 4 different colors: pastel red, pastel blue, pastel yellow, and a violet. Today we're actually doing pastel red and pastel blue. But once we get them pressed, we'll throw them under a UV light. I'll speed this up a bit while we wait for the press to drop down in temperature. Okay, our press is at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And I just set the timer down to 10 seconds because this is an 8 to 12 second final. And I like to hit right about the middle of that for the sweet spot. So let's go ahead and get our FashionFlex Light Sensitive HTV lined up on our shirt that's already on the press, ready to go. This is another warm peel, so grab our cooling block and go ahead and rub it down a little bit. There's that one. Go ahead and get our next one. Hitting it with that cooling stone again. There's our second one. All right, we're going to take our UV light and we're going to go ahead and shine it on these and show you how it looks. So that one is the pastel red. And there's pastel blue. Now you don't need a UV light to activate these. Going out in the sun activates them. So they're perfect for an indoor/outdoor gender reveal party. They take the light pretty quickly, as you saw on the camera. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day. Happy crafting.